Hello guys, it's V here. Welcome back to my channel. I just got a package from Temu that they sent me that contains some Halloween goodies. I picked out some items to help Halloweenify my space. So that is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna unbox everything for you guys. I will make sure to link everything. And then we are gonna set it up so I can get my background a little bit more spooky. Speaking of spooky, my dog, something is going on with her. She is following me everywhere and she's shaking. I don't know what it is that she's like spooked about. Let's go ahead and crack into this package. I think I got like 5 or 6 items, nothing too crazy, but okay, let's do this. I'm playing it casual again here on my floor. Here is the package. By the way, I'm gonna be living in this hoodie pretty much the entire winter, so I hope you don't get tired of seeing it because you're gonna be seeing it a lot. I don't remember what I got. I do remember a couple items, but nothing too crazy. This was all $30, I believe, which was really good. I'm trying to decorate on a budget. I totally forgot about those. Okay, we're gonna start out with this one first because I want to put it on already. All right. These were so cute. I couldn't help it. I know this has nothing to do with decorations, but like it's Halloween, so it still counts. Oh, I was so excited when I saw these. These are so cute. I hope they don't make my feet sweat. Their sizing was very weird. It was like they had a 4 to 5 and then like 7 to 8, something like that. But like they totally skipped the whole 6 section, which I am in. I'm size 6, but I think I got the 7 to 8 and it fits perfect. There you go. See? I didn't shave. Don't judge me. Oh, they're so cute. So I'm gonna wear that the entire time. Oh, those are so cute. I love those. Those are gonna be my nail room slippers. The next item I got this lantern. It's an LED storm lantern. And this actually had a couple of different pictures that you could choose from. I got the little house, I guess, a little castle. This is what it looks like. I hope it comes with batteries already. Sure it does. Ready? Yes. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm just gonna have that sitting on one of my shelves. Oh, that's so cute. I could walk around at night with this. I'm weird enough that I would do that. Then I got this. And this is a ghost cloth, apparently. It's a costume for me to wear. I'm gonna be a ghost. I'm just kidding. It's like just a cloth that I can drape like either on my shelves or on the wall. Like that. I hope it's gonna be long enough. So it'll drape somewhere back there. Then I got this cute little pumpkin. Just like a stuffed pumpkin. I really wanted the white one, but it was out of my budget, so I went with this one. Is technically like the red one, I think. Yeah, so this one is technically the red color. So I got that. Cute. Matches my slippers. And then, okay, so this is the last item. And this one is, I believe it's a light. So it's got the different settings for the light. This is kind of like a tree branch that goes up along the wall. One of my pumpkins is off. I hope I could put that back on. So it's got the little remote here. So it's stiff enough where you can like place it however you want the branches to be. How am I gonna put this on my wall? I didn't think that part through. So this is the little box that I'm playing with right now. I don't know why it's supposed to, oh, I gotta provide my own batteries. Aww. So this takes 3 AA's. Lovely. I was hoping this would be a plug. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but it's supposed to kind of like go along the wall. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do to hang everything up. I'm gonna think about that and I will be right back. So I haven't figured out what to do with the pumpkin lights yet, but I'm thinking for the cloth, I wonder how it'll look if I just drape it through those gold bars. I'm gonna try that and we will see. I definitely don't have enough stuff to make this whole thing like look cohesive, but we'll take it one at a time. I'm debating if I should just take all these off here and then put this against the wall. I think that's what this is meant for, so let's try that. I'm just playing around with ideas. So I don't have any like tape. So I'm gonna use this double-sided one that I use for like my nails. We'll try this. That doesn't look too bad, right? Okay. Let me go ahead and put my charms back up. By the way, I am wearing my slippers. I love these. These are so cute. I don't know where I want to put this. I thought about possibly putting it along this wall here, but I feel like it would be kind of random. Then I thought about putting it just like along that ledge there. I don't know. I feel like that'll be very heavy. You would have to see. I have to get stuff that will actually, that I can mount it on. Obviously, it's not enough. The cloth, I gotta figure something out. I do have a lot of random stuff in this area. So once I figure out how to mount that, I will come back and we will continue. Okay, you guys, it's been some time, but I finally got my boyfriend to help me put up that Halloween garland that I got from Temu. So let me show you. Look at how cool. Oh, I love. Obviously, it'll look better once it's nighttime, but that's really cool, right? You can adjust the branches however you want, of course. And then it has 9 different settings. I don't know what number I'm on, but and there you go. That is awesome. So I'm gonna finish putting everything back. I even got some stuff, some other things that I want to put up as well from other stores. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.